Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we will do unboxing. So after a long time,
finally we got this drone. My god, I'm so happy for this.
hindi halatang happy siya, diba?
Before anything else,
Before we start,
Yeah.
shout out to Franco.
yay!
Yes.
Shoutout na rin namin si Franco. Natuloy na rin Franco.
Hi Franco. Okay, so Alan will do the unboxing, so I will be the cameraman.
Ganun naman talaga ang setup. So guys, before we start, we have here Fly More Kit Plus 47 minutes battery life, and the drone itself. Let's go guys, i-unbox na natin to. First guys, we're going to unbox first this Fly More Kit Plus. Buksan na natin. Let's open it. Oh my god, I'm so happy for this. Fly More Kit Plus. Yes. And then, tabi muna natin to. What's inside the box guys? It's very simple.
Nice box.
Nice bag, yeah. I hope it will
How much is
protect.
this one?
It's 80 kg.
80 KD.
Yeah, something like
Sa AEB one.
AEB worth. So I hope it's a fireproof lithium battery protection. I hope.
For sure.
Yeah.
Beauty box.
Inside the box, there is a propeller. So guys, for the propeller, there's a set A and set B. Take note for that. And read the manual first before you replace your propeller. There's a set A and set B, and there is a marker which set you were going to replace for the drone. Okay, and Type C, the USB Type C, this one Type C. Where is it? Yeah, this Type C. Yeah, Type C, and the battery,
What is this one?
propeller.
Propeller.
Yes, the propeller, and the charging hub. Okay. Inside the bag, there is a charging hub. 2 battery inside. 1, 2. Snap on. That's it. Aside from hub, this charging hub, it can serve as a power bank. That is a big advantage for new generation for the charging hub. And the
May
charging
slot
hub,
siya.
yeah,
There's a slot.
USB Type C, Type A, and the light indicator, power on. It's showing how many percentage of your battery.
Battery life.
Yeah, battery life. Very simple. We're going to unbox this drone. I'm so excited for this. Franco, shout out sa'yo.
Hi Franco.
This is the drone. The good thing for this drone is only 249 grams.
249 grams.
Yeah, 249 grams. You can carry inside your pocket the RC controller with the monitor, with the LCD.
You will open.
Yeah, it will open. Actually, I opened it already. I charged it already, and I updated already. So, no need to use the mobile phone because there is already LCD screen, Wi-Fi, dito na rin, navigation, everything, software. Unlike the mobile phone, you need to download the application. Everything is already inside.
It means high tech.
Very sleek, left and right, on and off, and the shutter in the video, zoom, tilt up, down. Oh my god, it's not heavy.
Lightweight lang.
Yeah,
Ah,
it's
yeah.
lightweight.
It's light.
Inside the box, yeah, before I forgot, there's another props again, set A and set B. So we have a total of 6 props, 3 sets of A and 3 sets of B, and this right now, naka-setup na siya, na-download ko na, na-update ko na everything. Each battery guys, take note guys, each battery you need to update. So many drone
Safety.
pilot, first time drone pilot, they don't know how to open this, especially this corner. Yeah, this corner. First, this corner you need to push. Just push first.
Push away from you.
Yeah, push away, not to pull. If you're going to pull this, it will break the arm here. Just
Push.
yeah, push. That's it. And pull and pull. That's it. And remove the camera cover. Ayan. See? Still there is a cover protection. And there is a rubber here. Down. Remove first. Don't forget this one. And we need to remove this.
May cover pala.
Yeah. There's cover. So guys, this drone, there is a sensor. Front sensor. Back sensor. And downward sensor. This one. Sensor. And I think it's working now.
Ayan,
The camera is working.
working.
Yeah. Let's put it here. It's working. Yeah, it's working. Everything is fine, working. Tilt up, tilt down. Specification for this drone: 4K 60 fps can be, and HDR, time lapse, hyperlapse. So guys,
Special
it's
occasion.
this the only quick unboxing. The important is we need to fly first this one.
Yeah, we'll go outside.
We will go outside. Franco, shout out again.
Siyempre kay Sean James.
Sean James, shout out
Besha.
kay Sean James. Happy birthday, Besha.
Lucas and Ishi. Yeah.
Lucas Inishi. Meron na tayo sa outing natin. Naka-drone na tayo. Hindi na tayo underwater.
Iba naman.
Iba na.
No.
Chinek ko na yung geomap niya kung saan yung hindi pwede magpalipad. So, ayan. Pakita namin sa inyo. Yung geomap. No fly zone. Pakita namin sa inyo. So, ito yung inilabas nung, kasi ikunani ko siya sa internet.
Okay, sige.
So, yun nga guys. Nailagay na natin tong memory card niya. 128 GB para dito sa drone. And the 64 GB para dito sa RC controller niya. Okay? And now, let's go outside. Let's try this drone. Happy ako. Kasi chinek ko yung geomap niya kung saan yung no-fly zone. Nakita ko na bawal do sa mga oil rig, bawal do sa mga military office, airport, yan,
Okay,
bawal dyan.
Daanan ng airplane.
Yan, daan ng airplane, military, military base, bawal lahat doon. And yung allowed lang is along the seaside. Doon lang kayo pwedeng magpalipad. Let's go. Let's go guys. Subukan na natin. Yan. Open natin. Pares ng open. Yan. Let's do the first flight. Woo! Wow! So yun na, nag-take off na So yun nga, nakita nyo yung take off. Dinadagit siya ng mga kalapate, napakarami. May isa doon, ewan ko kung nakuhanan, inatake siya ng kalapate. So maraming salamat sa lahat na sumuporta ng aming channel. Once again, shoutout nga pala kay Franco.
Yeah, hi Franco from Kuwait.
Natawa ako doon sa kalapate. Nagulat din ako.
Kaya pala doon
Inatake siya.
sa pinuntahan natin sa Batangas.
Oo.
There's a prenup happening that time. They fly the drone, no, very
Yes.
low because the
Very low.
eagles get attracted.
So yun na.
They got attracted.
Sa mga drone owners, so yung kahit kalapate, attracted sila. Inaatake yung drone natin. So yung mga kalipat natin dyan, tignan nyo yung paligid nyo, line of sight, kung may mga kalapate, nababattle sila sa drone natin. Thank you for watching. See you on the next flight. Flight na tayo, guys. See you on the next flight.
Thank you for watching.
Shoutout kay Franco.
Bye.
Stay safe, study hard.